wishing you a warm and healthy morning to make your day bright. Have a great day ahead. Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope so you are all fine and safe at home. I am your English teacher Zara Ali. Today we are going to learn about sounds. So let's start our topic. Okay, student, here we have a digraph that means two letter, one sound. See, k, h, h. When we put them together, they make ch sound. Again, s, h, ch. They make ch sound. Have a look of some examples of ch sound. B, a, n, ch. Bench. Once again, b, a, n, ch. Bench. Very good. Okay, move to our next word. Ch, a, k. Chick. Once again, ch, a, k. Chick. That's fantastic. Our next word, l, a, n, ch. Lunch. Once again, l, a, n, ch. Lunch. Well done, students. You are doing great job. Next word, ch, a, p, s. Chips. Once again, ch, a, p, s. Very good. Chips. Okay, students. Move to our next word. Ch, a, n. Chin. Once again. Ch, a, n. Chin. Move to the next one. Ch, a, t. Chat. Next. B, a, n, ch. Bunch. Once again, b, a, n, ch. Bunch. Very good, students. The bunch of flower. Move to our exercise. Look at the picture and talk about it. Students, look here a digraph. That's mean two letter, one sound. Look, students. All these words start with ch, ch sound. First one is ch, children. Very good. Next one, ch, cherry. Next, ch, chips. Ch, chair and chick. Move to the next page. Say and write sound h, ch. Students, आपने C and H as it is write करना है नीचे. Write word having sound ch in them. Students, आपने previous page पे जो C and H वाले words याद किए थे वो हमने next page पे write करने हैं. First one is children, cherry, chips, tick, and the last one is chair. Okay, students. This is your homework. Do it carefully. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Allah Hafiz. Hope you enjoy the lecture. Bye-bye.
हवा में उड़ना है, पानियों पे चलना है, अपनी दुनिया को रंगों से भरना है.